It's a pleasure to be here. I think possibly Pakistan's biggest game for a long, long time. And it's a great honor to be the coach for this game. Obviously, we are facing formidable opposition, but we will try and give them a taste of Pakistan here in Islamabad and see what happens.
सबसे पहले मैं सबको सलाम देना चाहता हूँ और मैं सबको बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमने पूरी तैयारी की है और कल इंशाल्लाह हम सऊदी को टफ टाइम देना चाहते हैं.
We hope Pakistan will win tomorrow. Never mind score a goal. I think you're right, we haven't scored too many goals, but I think we have had opportunities. In Saudi we had a couple of opportunities, and in all the games we have had opportunities to score. We didn't take those opportunities, and in the end you pay for those mistakes.
जी देखें, हम सबको पता है कि सऊदी जो है वो एशिया की सबसे अच्छी टीमों में से हैं और पिछली बार हम सऊदी के ख़िलाफ़ खेले हैं. मैं मानता हूं कि 90 मिनट तक हम उनके ख़िलाफ़ बहुत अच्छा खेले हैं, हमने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है और हमने इस चीज़ पर काम किया कि हम मैच के शुरू से कॉन्फिडेंट रहें और अच्छा खेलें और फिर इंशाल्लाह रिज़ल्ट भी आ जाएगा.
Look, I think we had 2 games against Cambodia. We scraped through, which is what we wanted. I know it's the first time in history, but is it a massive achievement? No, I'd be more impressed when we win the SAF or when we go to the Asian Cup. This has to be our target for Pakistan with a population of 250 million. Was it a big achievement for us in that moment? Yes, we made history. It's finished. We have to look forward now. We have to build a national team for the future, and this is what we are trying to do. I see you have the same haircut as me. Well, I think that's above my pay station. The higher-ups will decide what happens after this. But there's a window in September. We have the under-20s SAF that we are going to prepare for. And if you ask me, there are building blocks that we can put in place. This is the future of Pakistan football. It's the under-20s, the under-17s, under-19s. I know people are saying, why are we not in the Asian Cup under-20s, under-17s? As we know, it's a normalization committee. As we know, there is a severe lack of funds. So we cannot be in every competition because we don't have the finances to do that. But I think we take one step at a time. Let's finish these 2 games, World Cup qualifiers. Let's look back and see what we could have done better. Obviously, there's lots of things. And then we focus on the under-20s. About? If I knew that, I wouldn't be standing here. Listen, rain, shine, doesn't matter. We're going to play and we're going to play 100%. We come here to win, we don't come here to lose. So,
Hello, coach. You have been talking about earlier for a football league in Pakistan. Now we see final years happening, but the problem is that's not aligned with the Pakistan Football Federation. How do you see the situation? And what do you think if PFF is not going to coordinate with the football league? Would our national players would be able to play in the league or not? Yashar, even you can comment on it.
okay, he's not going to comment on it.
Okay.
I'm going to comment.
Yeah, sure, please.
No comment. I think I'm going to call Mr. Mancini and ask him what he's going to do, and then when he tells me what he does, I'll decide what we're going to do. And even if I was, do you think I'm going to tell you in front of all these people what we're going to do? Is that a question to ask me? Next question.
Pakistan is ranked 195, so the area that is rankings and ability seems to be vast. What is an acceptable performance in your opinion?
We win. I'll be really happy with that.
Last question.
Coach, you had a long training sessions ahead of this match, over this match. What have you worked on during this session?
Today? Today's session was 1 hour. That's half of what we do.
So, anything specific you have worked on that team?
No.